Ooh. Good morning, squad. What's good, man? Today's the day of the meetup. It's kind of cloudy outside, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain. It says it wasn't gonna rain today, but let's just hope it doesn't, all right? Let's just hope it does not rain today, because I'm kind of excited for this meetup. If not, I'm probably gonna host it next weekend. But yeah, let's get this day started, man. I've been stuck in traffic for like the past 30 minutes, yo. This shit sucks. There was like an accident on 80 West and they closed 3 lanes. See, the one time I want to be drop top boy, that's when it wants to rain. But look at this. Would you rather a lifted truck or would you rather a slammed S2000? Pick your poison. What's good, squad? So right now we back in the S. I'm about to make a video for my boy in this group chat that we're on and on Instagram, right? So basically we're talking about, like, you know, things that we want. And I was telling him, like, you know, I'm gonna cop me a NSX in the next 2 years. Like, I'm gonna have one. And like we were all just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So then my boy comes into the group chat and he's like, fuck out of here, you not about to get no NSX, blah blah blah. Like, just hating, but I know he playing. So I'm about to make a video real quick talking shit. So y'all about to see it. So hold on. Hey Markel, talk shit, but can your car do this? I don't think so. I don't think so. Your boy's off work, man. Let's get this day started. Alright guys, so your boy's on his way to the meet, man. Hopefully I see some of you guys there. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. I posted it on Instagram, so it should be a good turnout. Top down, baby. Had to come get some gas real quick, man. Shit is on 2 bars. One thing I can say with these test pipes, bro, this shit makes my car drink gas like quick. All right, let me open the tank. How you doing? Huh? It didn't open? You could put 30 super. Yeah. Nice. Full tank. Let's get it. I haven't had a full tank in this car in so long. Real life Maybach in the flesh. Oh. You guys want to get some fiber optics, make sure you hit up MD Interiors. See him in there putting in that work on a Maybach. That's how you know he stepped his game up, all right? He went from doing my booty ass Civic to now working on a Maybach. See, that's what happens when you have dedication, time, and patience. You end up like this guy. All right, he's working on Maybachs now and Lamborghinis. Some more people rolling in. Static. You could turn on the light, or it's not plugged in yet. I could have sworn I saw it on though.
Yeah, wait.
I could have sworn I saw these on.
Oh yeah, I did put it on. It's over here.
Look at that. Who said Maybachs don't come with stars in it? Tough.
twinkle.
Tough. Alright, comes with a remote. Look at that. This might steal somebody's auntie. Just imagine driving in this. Mind you, the front driver's seat is all the way over there, so there's so much space. No wonder why Rick Ross big ass getting this shit. It's tough though.
I changed the motor for that.
Huh?
I gotta change the like twinkle. I gotta make it twinkle fast.
How you do that?
It's on the motor. I gotta set it.
Alright. Shit has a fridge in it, dude. Yo. Yo. Oh, he was the one drinking platinum. So that shit actually stays cold. What does it use as the AC to keep it cold?
What is
It's crazy. Hella luxury.
luxury, bro?
Maybach. You'll pick this or your GTR?
I'll probably pick this.
Nah, take the GTR. Shit has it. Yo, what am I on, a flight? That's tough. It opens up too? Whew. Whew. Ooh. This looks like the old me from back in the day. Damn. All the S2000s in one spot. Bag, baby. So if you guys wondered where my old wheels went, here they are. Sheesh. It's my old wheels right here. Money Mark putting in that work. Remember all them wires and stuff that was dangling, now it's all gone. He snipped it up, putting all the pillars back. Like I said, man, you guys need your headliners done, fiber optics. I'll put his name right here. MD Interiors. Just let him know Phil sent you, so that way he knows that Phil sent you. Stepping up his game, man. Ooh, look at all the whips out here. Got some, what are the Accords, Civics, S2000s, a couple people over there. I mean, it's a pretty good turnout. Alright, your boy's out of here, man. I'm about to go home. The meet was a success. A lot of people came out. I'm tired, I'm hungry. Top down still, didn't rain. So let's get out of here. Shit is max. Yo, this camera low light is ridiculous, bro. Shifting one hand, man. Shifting with the one hand. Alright, your boy's done for the night. Look at the low light in here, bro. That's how you know this camera is official. But I just came down here to go check on the Grom. About to take off the rear set on these. On this right here. And put the OEM ones back on. The hardtop's right here. Lit, right? This right here. This right here is the culprit. It's just not coming free for me. So as you guys can see here, I got it loosened. So now it should be a lot easier to try to get it from the other side. So when you're by yourself, sometimes you have to innovate things, man. People say zip ties are your best friend, and they are. When you're a car guy, zip ties are your best friend. So I had to come in here and innovate some things. So what I did was I zip tied the ratchet to the bolt here and just zip tied it to this little peg. So that way I could break this lug over here free. And it actually worked. See, when you're working by yourself, you gotta become innovative. So this swing arm bolt, right? Obviously when you're dropping the motor, it's gonna sit down lower, correct? So what I did was I put my drill under like the motor, so that way it sits into place, so that way I can bolt everything back. So like I said, sometimes it just pays to be innovative and, you know, try to think before like messing things up. Like, don't get me wrong, this shit is kicking my ass right now, but doing it by yourself is the extra work. If I had someone else, I'd have been done. But I'm gonna finish it. Alright, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna get it done. And boom. Side one. And there you have it, people. Your boy's beat. Rear sets is on. Stock ones. Brakes. All that, man. Alright, so gonna end the vlog here, man. This ground kicked my ass. I'm tired. It is now 4:53 in the morning. I don't know why I'm still up, but this reminds me back of the days when I was working on a ruck. But yeah, till tomorrow, guys. You already know. Peace.